Previously on Students of Today.
Oh, you people are making noise. Why?
Ask what is that? You two, why are you learning like that? As somebody ask you why you are learning. Money. Hey,
Yesterday after preps, the boys' prefect called me and he was like, he's interested in me.
Whoa. And how did you tell him?
I said no. No.
give it to me.
Students of today. Gangsta. Aka. Ejuma ho ayenti amam fo krekre keys. Oya obi baby am simple. Akabenezer. Ono no say so child the French. Nensonteeda. I say we be like gon. Ti on ma no we konkon. On pe wo ba wa fon. Chele wo pe di enam wom. Da wo pe di enam wom. Oba go forward this school man aboso. Branching is what I want in tia this young koso. And I'm for pa. I want it to one time. Like it. Only students of today. Yeah, students of today. Yeah. I go sing kwa this year no dear Debbie. Messi I go sing kwa this year no dear Amumpo. Yeah, students of today. Yeah, students of today. Yeah, I go sing kwa this year no dear Debbie. Messi I go sing kwa this year no dear Amumpo. Yeah. The man and me part this year, I could fibra no more bo. Your back can be our monfa. Your moya no more yo. 3940 on any gang. Kyekyeku and a shefo. Stubborn boys, them day for campus. I'm with me, yana like you wolf. Or chair French, and I must want it. When I want to cast a conforce a call, I sack you every in the class. Oka console when you're in the class. We all bounce was a foul to bed your marks. Foul to bed your marks. Elani Jenson take the hood janty down or more. Obi a demako school, some cosia there. Ain't he like yeah, I'm a friend in Swede. I want to dress and you. High school girls and boys. Students of today. Yeah, students of today. Yeah, I go sing kwa this year no dear Debbie. Messi I go sing kwa this year no dear Amumpo. Yeah, students of today.
Hello. Now, play school ban one.
I'm listening to you.
Sorry. It's just Erica. I'm still on what I told you the other day. And the last time, what I told you. I told you I want you. I need you. I want you to be my girl.
Hello, firstly, I think I want to decide. How are you doing?
I'm good.
I'm doing well. So I hope you haven't changed your mind.
I'm so sorry. I'm dating. Okay?
You are dating?
Of course.
In this campus or outside?
In this campus, of course.
Really? And who could that lucky guy be?
Can you guess? Fadel. I think
Fadel?
he's in your class.
Oh yeah, that short dark guy. Okay.
About the prefect of health.
Nah, I haven't.
The
Good
prefect.
afternoon, where's prefect?
Good afternoon. How are you doing?
I'm good.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm working towards that.
So don't worry, when it comes to the campaigning, I'll campaign for you. And don't worry, I'll vouch for you.
He's not bad, but see, Fadel does not suit you. You want
Really?
Yes, you want a guy like me. You want a guy like me. Let's see. Just give it a try.
Mr. Gray, I'm so sorry. I'm not interested in you, okay? Just leave me alone.
Erica.
Right now, I have a lesson over there.
Okay,
so
okay, 1 minute.
I'm leaving.
Erica.
I'm going.
This girl is giving me headache.
Students of today. Gangsta. Aka. Ejuma ho ayenti amam fo krekre keys. Oya obi baby am simple. Akabenezer. Ono no say so child the French. Nensonteeda. I say we be like on. Ti ona manu we konkon. Ope wo ba wa fon. Tell you what I
would do Spanish, I don't know why.
Yeah, you know the original.
Your face.
Come here.
So you this guy, who authorized you?
Hey, phone.
Hey! That be your one. Hey! Still they stand there, you still they watch my face, Still they watch my face. Samus! Hey! Samus!
High school girls and boys. Tell them what chance of today. Yeah, we should shake the chance of today. Yeah, I put some one this year, no day.
Fine boy. Listen.
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm sorry, man.
Yes, actually.
But me, I'm going to my friend.
Nah, it's too.
Are they?
Like, Mr.
Who's the one who say, me know you depend on one I'll show you. They may me know because I don't show you what's that. Hey,
Senior.
be in your million depend on one I'll show you.
The sisters are around.
Oh, Charlie, forget your mom. Who's a campus? You're not there. Obi a seven one Some will be a baby and family. Charlie, Abby, and I also, my also, I have a boy. Hey, indeed. Huh? Right. I didn't make that short.
Two of the day and I said,
I didn't make that amount. Right.
Meet me at 9 p.m. behind the glass. Hey. I don't make a meet time at 9 p.m. behind the class.
Princess, do you know you are very beautiful? Of all the ladies on campus, you are exceptional.
Thank you.
I really like that. You just turn around, thank you. Yeah, I just want to. Now on the other side.
Forget
this side.
Go ahead and let me go.
Good. Yeah, I like that. In fact, Princess, there's something I want to tell you, but
Go ahead.
okay. Do you know I like you?
I like you too.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, I want you to be my closest friend.
We've spoken about this earlier on.
Medo. Zemi hu ana me ho so.
Students of today. Gesta. Aka. Ejuma ho ayenti amamfo kwekwe keys. Oya obi baby am sample. Akabenezer. Ono no say so child their French na so nteda.
Good evening, sister.
Yeah, evening. Let's say.
Acho me hu you na we.
Na de no mo begina hanu machesa.
Yeah, I'm very sorry. Na me lead class AV.
No mo begina hanu machesa. Ma twen sa.
Yeah, I'm very sorry. Sister, but security no around do. It's a very risky. Maybe now I will patrol around.
Obey your day. Inti me class am twa won ti ana. Maka cho so woni me gina ho no mo a. Eya mensuro. Aden. Onye be ma na. Be me. Oni me gina ho no mo eya mensuro. So what I say, me campus am ze obi enimi. Eno obi aso nim de mitime. Nti ade na oni me gina ho no mo a usuro.
It's not that, but I want to say your form when person anything.
Okay. What do you forgetting? I mean, I love you. What? Yeah. Is there anything wrong with that?
That's good. Serious, like girlfriends.
Yeah, I want to take you as my serious girlfriend.
It's good.
You know, you giving your heart to guys on campus, they will give you breaking heart, princess. I will never do that to you.
Go straight. You are just dancing around. I don't know.
The way I wear on your campus, and the way out, me pure lifestyle. It's me person me no make you friends. Me say you make you friends.
Open my lifestyle, so person me no make you friends.
Yeah, me person me no make you friends.
Like how? Just friendship.
Just friends.
Just friendship.
Yeah.
So we're only we are here in this dark.
I want to take you as my serious girlfriend on campus. Really serious. And I will do anything for you.
Yes, like I told you earlier on, friendship is normal, so...
No, not that. Listen, even though after your mother or parents paying your school fees, I'll return it to you. Money is not the problem, princess.
I'll be crabbing when you're begging say it's not fair.
Come on. It's me can be at your own home. I then.
I say I have to wait. Yeah. I'm very scared. Please. Okay, fine. Just friendship.
Yeah.
Fine, Mati. I hear. I'll be your friend.
See, I know what yes is obey my downfall. The same chose on. Be a with here beyond. Catch him. Say yesika. Provisions. Then let's measure one casa. Be a with here beyond. But the catch him. May I not be so what you say? You have nice skin too. Hey, Atadwe, don't worry, it's okay, it's fine. I said I love you. I'll do anything for you. Princess, I swear. What I can do for you, no man can do for you.
Do you mean like...
Spare me. Don't pretend you don't know. Me and you.
Jesus is Lord.
I feel like... Can I...
Atadwe.
Sister Joan, just friendship, mona. Bibi awe mami.
Bibi ameyamo, bibi ope bia ameyamo. Lemon bat. Send the ope bia na me yemawa. Me pese me unso woni sa form once nkwala nkete no. Mu jinja won mana se mo ne nam baby. So what you say?
Me classmates no. Nah, they are my classmates, so me no mo na.
Na maka show no. Me pese me unso oni omu jinja ho.
Complications where there's no idea. Okay, fine, Mati.
I don't also know mu jinja ho because me dey me pe no. O mo ntimi ne me enche dey me pe. So what you say?
Okay.
Let me warn you. I like you as a friend. But let this be the very last time you ever discuss such filthy, nasty and disgusting ways with me.
Really?
Or else I will never speak to you in this campus.
Don't worry, everything will be okay.
Leave me, don't even touch me again.
Wow. I must win here. Madam! Oh, shit. Don't tell anyone who your coconut, remember? So you're madam for. Now maybe form 2 me ever form 1 year down, no form 1 is before madam for. What's be that? Hey.
But what I know is just friendship. They say they okay.
And I'm a catch on. Me person me also no more in the house. So I just say.
Okay, fine. Mati. But I want to say it's late, please. I'm scared. Can I leave?
Oh, Matias, gonna call the way I.
Okay, fine. Good night.
Okay, no show on see.
Alright.
Okay. Hey, I will form 1 boy. Me form 2 in one case the way I'm meet here. Form 3 for COMPUS, but me more down. School mama scholarship say. I dear we say me dear mom she make it. Now home to wa. O John mobile church dey ope. Hey.
Students of today.
I'm blunt way man. She make talent.
Yes, sir. Aka. Ejuma ho aye nti amamfo kwekwe.
Wo ye ba prep dia na opie ye. Ya ko na fe na wo ba. Hey.
You are shouting.
Say we am from na say anything.
It's not my fault.
Hey, yeah, trust me. It's not your fault now. You say when ya.
Hope you know Joan. That fair girl, nice girl. Someone, yeah.
Phone to girl, no.
Sure, or not. We shared me and then she said some conversation. So I went to meet her and she's like you should be friends. Sorry, madam.
Friends?
Friends now. You guys are there.
Joanna na ne ho mema bebrebe no. Na wo kwako. Mama nkasa. Wo so den ya.
Okay, well, man, sure it's like if I'm a friend, I'll be sponsor me, I'll be top provisions, books, textbooks, like everything I need on campus. Yeah, I'll be one. So I was cool with that.
Just a friend.
Yeah, just friendship.
No, I can't. In some way, you natural.
What's wrong with that?
What's wrong with that? I said, what's wrong with that? Who did Tinaho? Join now, who can watch them? Ganses or more campus, and only when you deal. What they are grown up, but anyway, maybe your phone number for book or something. You calling?
What's wrong with me?
That's you.
Overconsole in the class. We all bounce was about to budget max. About to budget max. Elani Jenson take the hood janty down or more. Obi de Marcos school, some cosia there. Until like, yeah, I'm a friend in Sunday. I want to yes, I knew. High school girls and boys. Students of today, yeah, students of today, yeah.
Oh, j'avoue. Oui, comment un peu, comment allez-vous camper comme ça?
C'est là que nous catchons ya semi en quand on va nous tuer, on a ça pour faire.
It's to let's back to tree. Ella. In fact, in this school, mashallah, you are a decent in the whole school. One, you are a pretty, you get height, you get teeth, you get mouth, and you get okra.
Yeah. How's learning going?
Everything is cool.
You sure? So, do you call home?
Yes, Mom even called me yesterday, so I spoke to the whole family.
I see. I miss your brother Eugene.
He's there. He's fine.
That guy is so fun. So, what do you have for me?
No, you don't have anything for me.
Come on.
Do you know the guy called Gray?
Gray, yeah, I know Gray.
I like
who be baby, but who says see I'm no casa American French, won't it? But this time around, we're living in scientific world. French take over. Spanish, French. They say one to French, I want to mean France, I'm rich man. They make sure what you say. And they say we have to learn French. But Masha or Mabwa what it? Be a me first one make sure French, you know. But you guys come on, who's when you
thank you.
Who's when you who's all you believer. But one I say what disgracing about something like you are pretending like a good girl. You are I don't know, I think maybe you are a school girl that you play that way. Okay. Hey, you know something? I like you.
Yeah, he was saying something like he's interested in me and I didn't mind him.
And
I said I'm dating. I told him I'm dating.
You are dating who?
Fadel, of course. You.
Is that all?
Sure.
But something must be done. Something has to be done, Efia.
Something like what?
That
I
guy is
didn't
not...
say anything to him.
And I said, still, something has to be done. Something has to be done. That guy is not to be trusted.
Fadel.
I like you.
I like you.
You're a good girl. I love you.
You like me?
Yeah, I love you.
Asin.
Me pɛ sem papa me pɛ. Me pɛ pa ela. But pa me pɛ ne me pɛ se me boa. E ma education ne kosoro. Yeah. You see I'm no kasa e be young president. E dey letter aba. What? Doesn't go.
Because of school name?
Because of this school. All because of okra utiti.
Me?
Yeah, especially you. Yeah, go. Thank you. Someone them nature me. I say go, then you to test. Come on, go. And then to say,
trust me.
Yeah, I do. Okay, it's just that that guy is the girl them sugar himself. Okay.
My fault. You're saying something.
Okay. I had wanted to go and see one of my friends. Okay. Some small in and out. Escort me. No, this is a guy thing. Come on, this is a guy thing. I see you miss your baby.
See, Kakono. Some of them is sure. And you know, I'm just love you. Okay. Are you sure? If you see, no, you pon bia, me chill baby, me wo. You pon bia, me boots, una bit me abefa, and the back so. Yeah, chop on a French and so coso. Swatted the metro nothing. You see, no dada.
I like it.
Yes, please.
We are sure so pay me.
Why not?
And I tell them and you say penny pass na me pass your French. I'm too quiet. I'm cook baby so.
French ni bia was lost. J'avoue la paix. Le pot. Quand toi la paix, mi j'avoue. Et je vous godrez. Comment allez-vous comment allez-vous bonjour mes chers bonjour maman bonjour mes chers.
Na me sin no and try a cop prep o kram so wo ba man hu biem nya me kwanam fa books no koye
me ko check me lines bi o
line page 1 e do ba school wo di school ha nyina e bobo ade jem no ko hu makonzi
maka chose sa makonzi me no ka say mo makonzi di ade ni nyina chese
ni nyina me ka akosi nyina no se me boa kwan bia me fa so a be pass bia no I'll try.
So like if like what you are saying one you see the other side of me man
I go do I go do am for you.
Juan wo ye bi o na ho na sa na dwun ko hia no
ko hia madam
wadamfo ben
unnim no aden
me pese me hu
ade school madam bia na pese hu na na
ai se me wadamfo nti se wadamfo bia me hu
if I no go do I no go tell you.
Cause me gem ma
you change me blocking and family sorry full blocking and fanko blocking.
Yeah.
I go do am for you.
You sure?
Oh, I go do am for you.
If I open my legs where you enter now.
If you are open your leg enter Kurana they enter Bitokoro, I will do am for you.
And I'll pass.
Oh, you will pass.
The word pass.
If I enter the Tokoro, I will pass.
Then let's start tomorrow. Yeah, not tonight.
Good luck.
Oh, and why?
Hey, enti mama wu se obi ame kwa ha ana ha. Hey, Juan. What the school e bo ho asafo hene wa ha papa. Hey,
be da be sene yam ko no kasa na jono na kasa. Ade be bia be ko bia na men kraw. Hey.
wala ya.
Today we are going to continue what we learned yesterday about sense organs. Yesterday I explained to you what is sense organ. Today we are going to continue type of sense organ.
Somebody is sleeping in the class.
Who is sleeping?
Hey! Ayuko! Come here. Hurry up and come. Hey! Hey! Ayuko! Where are you coming from?
Madam, hey, we are learning and you are sleeping. Why? Are you hungry? Why? Why are you sleeping? You are passing through some challenges. Okay, you see me after class, okay? Okay, so we have 5 types of sense organ. Stand up. What is eye? Eye. Is the one I'm looking to do. Hey, eye. Sit down.
I'm ready to the town.
And why are you using this place instead of passing through the main school gate? I'm asking you a question.
I'm not a security man, no one make me do.
Did you take an exit?
We were searching for teacher, but we not get any teacher we will sign the SDA given. With that time we will the hung, we will pass it.
Hey. So you didn't take an exit?
Second type of sense of organ is ear. Ear. I hope you know ear. Ear. Asun. What do we use ear for? For hearing. Clap for him. So we use eyes or eye for sight or seeing, and we use ear for hearing. The second one is nose.
Everyone. Do you say hearing or hearing?
Ear. We use it to hearing. Yes. Okay, what do we use it for? Wait.
Keep quiet.
For listening something. Okay.
You left without taking an exit. Very good. Instead of you to use the main school gate too, you used here. Good job. Follow me. I said follow me. Why are you standing there and watching me like that? Follow me.
Follow me to Facebook or Instagram.
Let's go to the third type of sense of organ. Nose. Okay, you. What do you use nose for?
Nose indicates us to smell.
Smell. We use it for smelling. You pass smoke through your nose. Smoking. Yes. But smoke we put it in mouth, not nose.
It passes through your nose.
Okay, you.
Sir, please, we use this for breathing.
For breathing. Clap for him. And clap for him too.
Quick. You make sure you weed all those portions. Have you finished? Aye, Mundo.
Madam, but it's one and cut.
Go and find another one. How can you even tell me this or asking me this? Are you asking me or telling me? You make sure you weed all those portions. Do you hear me? And next time, pass through and inside the wall again. You'll see what I'll do to you. Don't annoy me. You have to make sure you finish this before dining time.
But dining time left like 5 minutes.
Yes, I don't care. So you make sure you do it fast.
The fourth one is skin. I hope we all know skin. Don't we?
We know.
What do we?
I don't know.
You don't know. Do you know skin? Do you have skin?
I have body.
You have body,
yes,
but you don't have skin.
Yes.
You know skin? Come. Show her your skin.
Yours.
Yours, yeah. So this one is her skin. So this is skin, okay?
So I cannot sit down. So
you can sit down.
What's the difference between skin and body?
Body is your whole body from your head to your toe. You see, from your head to your toe is your body. So your skin is part of your body.
Make sure you are see to it that they've been able to weed all that I'm trying to say. This portion.
Start now. Start. You have less than 5 minutes. So you better start. Really? How are you standing? I don't use your hand or your mouth to use. And after you jump.
Next on Students of Today.
Come. Tell him,
Hey, Rich!
you have heard everything. Yes, I tell me, Debano. Fila, say teachers for be at school, so many, sir. I know teacher will be here. Me, let them come from I'm going to see 2 hours 4 or money more. Mr. White, you call Moon, Mr. Easy. 1 year for Charles.
Hey, who is that?
It's me, is that?
Come on, get down.
Hey! What? Say, Bruno Modiano. Who's our you don't go on one? I don't be. Say, a man on Tom Cosi baby. No, Macassa.
Please, like he attacked me from the class.
And why?
Because I told him that was his teacher.
Like it. Students of today, yeah. Students of today, yeah. I go sing kwa, this year no dear Debbie, yo. Messi, I go sing kwa, this year no dear Amumpo. Students of today, yeah. Students of today, yeah. I go sing kwa, this year no dear Debbie, yo. Messi, I go sing kwa, this year no dear Amumpo.